Today I'll show you a small unboxing of a tool for electricians, and here this is a socket. It's a Schuko type socket, and that's the Schneider electric. And then I have here one cable stripper. It's this brand YATO YT-2274. I'm not sure where you could find these, but I just saw recently that Parkside has here in Cyprus the same style of cable stripper. Basically, it removes the outer part of the electrical cables, and usually it's between 0.5 and 6 millimeter, and yeah, that's pretty much more than enough for any cables that you might have at home. And yeah, that's the tool. You have to be careful with this kind of tools because they have some sharp areas on them, and this one is really like a pencil. Checking these things so I don't lose them. Should be 1, 2. There are better tools to open the cables, but this one is a really quick and easy tool to get the cables open for copper and aluminium also. I like the shape that is very compact. This is why I really wanted to have this tool, and you see that's the area where you can do the cable stripper option and also open the coating of the cable, conducting cables. And it has a bit of a lock here. I didn't really know which way it opens, so yeah, that's how it opens. And there are better tools, and there are the really nice tools which open the cables without having to go perpendicular to them. Like on this one, you have to put the cable on those guides there. But yeah, those are also a little bit bigger and many times more expensive. This one, if you really need a quick change for some cable, this is pretty obvious. Don't make any changes by yourself to the electrical wiring. The electricity can be very dangerous, so be warned. Don't try this at home. Don't use this tool to actually replace the wires at home. Thanks for watching.